Welcome back to the channel Autoland 2025. Today we're bringing you something truly remarkable straight from the heart of innovation and performance, the Hudson Dynamics 2025. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement of power, style, and modern engineering that defines the future of two-wheel performance. Hudson Dynamics is built for those who crave speed, precision, and confidence on every ride. Inspired by the New York skyline and powered by the passion of riders who love the rush of the open road, this machine combines futuristic design with cutting-edge technology that will leave you speechless. The Hudson Dynamics 2025 stands out with its aggressive body lines, aerodynamic structure, and premium metallic finish that captures the essence of modern craftsmanship. Every inch of this bike is designed to perform and impress, from its lightweight frame to its advanced suspension system that ensures ultimate stability even at high speeds. The precision-engineered engine delivers unmatched torque, acceleration, and control, giving riders a thrilling experience every time they twist the throttle. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting long highways, the Hudson Dynamics is built to dominate every terrain with ease. One of the standout features of the Hudson Dynamics 2025 is its next-generation technology integration. The digital instrument cluster comes alive with high-resolution graphics, offering real-time performance data, navigation, and connectivity options. The Smart Riding Mode selector allows you to customize your experience, from Eco Mode for efficient commuting to Sport Mode for maximum power and adrenaline. Its LED matrix lighting not only enhances visibility but also gives the bike a futuristic identity that turns heads wherever it goes. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ergonomic seat design and optimized handlebar position make long rides effortless and enjoyable. The advanced braking system ensures complete control, while the tire grip technology provides maximum traction on both dry and wet roads. Hudson Dynamics is all about giving the rider a perfect balance of safety, performance, and design innovation. The sound of its exhaust note is pure symphony, powerful yet refined, delivering an experience that connects machine and rider like never before. Hudson Dynamics 2025 is more than a motorcycle, it's an emotion, a revolution that captures the pulse of New York's energy and ambition. It's designed for riders who dare to go beyond limits, who live for speed, and who believe that every road is a new story waiting to be written. The craftsmanship, the detailing, and the performance of this bike make it one of the most exciting launches of the year. From the streets of Brooklyn to the highways beyond Manhattan, Hudson Dynamics is set to redefine what it means to ride with confidence and style. So if you're someone who loves design, power, and innovation coming together in perfect harmony, this bike is made for you. Watch till the end and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive content on the latest auto trends, reviews, and performance tests. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Hudson Dynamics 2025 and what feature impressed you the most. Thank you for watching Autoland 2025, your trusted destination for everything automotive and beyond. Stay tuned for more incredible rides, tech innovations, and future launches that will change the way we see the road. Until next time, keep riding, stay safe, and keep your passion alive. I'll see you in the next video.